In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and manage your tasks using Pipedrive's virtual assistant. Whether you're new to Pipedrive or looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will help you become more organized and efficient. To kick things off, let's head over to the Pipeline homepage. This is your central hub where you can see an overview of your workflow, and it's where you'll begin each day. Here, you'll gain visibility into all your ongoing deals and tasks, allowing you to prioritize and plan effectively. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the tabs on the left side of the screen. These tabs are your navigation keys to various functionalities within Pipedrive. By consistently working from your activities list, you'll be able to guide your daily tasks effortlessly. This list is a comprehensive view of all your to-dos, ensuring that each deal on your pipeline has a next step scheduled. Keeping this list updated not only helps in managing current tasks, but also prevents any deals from falling through the cracks. Next, we move on to clicking through the other tabs. As you cycle through these, it's crucial to regularly log all your interactions. Adding detailed notes and documenting important emails within deals is vital to maintaining a complete history of your interactions. This practice not only aids in tracking customer interactions, but also ensures that everyone on your team is on the same page. As you continue navigating through the tabs, you'll come across the leads inbox. This tab is particularly important as it houses all incoming leads, helping you to easily manage and respond to potential sales opportunities. Being proactive in managing your leads by regularly checking this space will greatly enhance your effectiveness in capturing and converting leads. Finally, click on yet another tab to reach your progress insights and dashboard. Here, you can update deal stages, modify custom fields, and set expected close dates for your deals. Regular updates to this section are key to keeping your pipeline accurate. Moreover, rescheduling any overdue or unaccomplished activities ensures that your forecasting stays reliable, providing you with a realistic projection of your sales outcomes. I hope this guide empowers you to leverage Pipedrive to its fullest potential, making your daily operations smoother and more productive. By following these steps and integrating these practices, you'll be well equipped to stay on top of your pipeline and achieve your sales targets effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.